It's Omar here, and this is 7Artisans 4mm fisheye lens for APS-C cameras. The 4mm fisheye lens is available for different camera mounts. You get the Canon, the Sony, Fujifilm, and other Micro Four Third cameras. It comes at $149, and 4mm on full frame sensor is equivalent to 6mm on a crop sensor APS-C cameras. That's super duper wide. Fisheye lenses are more like fun lenses. They have a particular usage and eventually can't fit into any project. I spent a couple of days using this lens on a family trip, and I found different ways to enjoy it. For example, I got weird selfies, captured memories from different perspectives, and enjoyed the time walking in the streets. And because it shows the world from a different point of view, you can build a whole Instagram profile based on this lens. Probably traveling with a damn weird point of view. See here, when changing position, you get completely new perspective at different distortion levels. The 4mm 7Artisans lens is made of metal, including the lens cap, and weighs about 200 grams, 7 ounces. It got apertures from f2.8 to f16, and in my pictures, I mostly used f5.6 and f8 in order to get sharp images at short focus distance. And the lens comes with an aperture handle that helps in reaching the aperture ring easily, so you don't play with the focus ring by mistake. And because 4mm is too wide, I can see my fingers on camera, the same fingers on the camera handle. So eventually, when using the 4mm fisheye, I have to change the way I handle the camera in order to keep my fingers out of the frame. Unfortunately, I don't remember doing that every time, but I did my best. Another fact I should highlight is you need to warn people next to you to move completely behind your camera, because if anybody is on your side, they are already in your frame, and I don't think that's what you wish. The 4mm fisheye lens is completely manual lens and has no image stabilization. But make sure to turn off your camera sensor image stabilization off when using the 4mm lens. Since there is no physical connection between the lens and the camera can tell which focal length you're using, and therefore the stabilization you get is inaccurate and your videos will look jerky at some point. I got both crop sensor and full frame cameras, and the same 4mm fisheye lens works on my Sony a7 IV camera with a crop mode turned on. Indeed, I get less megapixels in still images, but the same 4K video resolution. At the end, this lens is cheap and could be a decent tool to make some fun or apply such a theme to your profile. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this video helped in making your decision. Show me a thumbs up if you found this very helpful, and bump that subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. This was Oma, and see you in another one.